I'm Jeff Jepson. We're at Classy Cars today doing auto detailing using our Makita tools. Before we even wash it, we evaluate it. We use different types of lights, especially our Makita big bright lights. Allows us a better chance of seeing what we can or can't do with the paint. Washing your car is really important. Washing the car is down to the type of water you use. We use a deionized water. It's not hard water. It doesn't have alkali. It doesn't have chlorine. It doesn't have all those things in that cause water spots that we hate. So the drying process is just as important as the washing process. You always want to use your Makita blowers. Make sure you're outfitted with the right ones. Door jambs, small tight areas, overall big area. These are the best tools that they make. That blows all the water off. Then you go through and you use a microfiber towel. You have to go through and you have to clay it. Use clay bars and always use a lubricant. You'll notice on a white car, all the little brown spots. Those brown spots are on every car. You only do it in a 2-foot section and you wipe it off. If you leave it, it's going to re-dry and bond to the paint. On your rotary polishers, they're really nice. I love the Makita rotary polisher. It's so ergonomic, it's quiet, it runs good, it's smooth, it's got an awesome balance. We'll use usually a heavy-duty twisty bit, which is a cutting wool pad. We go through that, keep it kind of flat, work that out, then go to our finish wool, work it kind of like you're buttering a cake. We can go to a rotary, then to a forced rotational type of polisher that is a gear-driven polisher. The best way for us to pick the polisher, the type of machine that we need, is also in the evaluation process. So we always try with the least aggressive.
Fire in the hole.
When we're using the dual action polisher, especially with the orange pad, it gives you a little grip and it's kind of grabby. Put a couple dabs of polish. Too much polish will load up on the pad and cause your machine to chatter. Keep the pad clean in between each of your steps, which is also going to help you in your cutting process. Use a nice easy rhythm. You don't need to force it like you're going to just push it through the paint. Nice medium pressure always works the best. Next step would be our white pad. The white pad follows up after our orange pad, after the wool pad. And the polish that we use with the white pad is more of an into a finish. So now you're taking the haze out of the paint, you're brightening it up, you're bringing up the fine scratches because all the other processes have taken the big ones out. Once it's evaluated from there, we will either do a ceramic coating or a Mother CMX coating. When you're doing your ceramic coatings, you really need your Makita lights because it's really important to make sure you don't leave any streaks before the baking process. So once you've finished that up, then you wipe it down, you double check it, you're good to go. You finished out your process of cutting and polishing your car. Now you're ready to go have fun.